Starting in the name of Allah the Almighty. Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. Today I am in your service again with a new lecture. I hope you are fine and pass well life. I hope you enjoy from your life and enjoy from my lectures. So today I am in your service again with a new lecture. Today I have the remaining part or the remaining lecture of my previous lecture, which was kinds of noun. In kinds of noun we had a section. In that section we had more parts, so I had remind that for this day. Today I want to share that lecture and I want to teach that issue to you guys. So if you are ready, let's start. What are these parts? I don't want to waste time, so let's start. So guys, this is my channel name. So guys, it's my channel name, Learn with Inayat Kamal. I have changed my channel name briefly, so that was so large. I have wanted to change it to short name. So it is my channel name, Learn with Inayat Kamal. So if you want to learn my lecture, if you want to take something from my lecture, do not skip the video, because every part of this lecture is important. So it's my WhatsApp number. If you have any problem, suggestion, objection or question, you can comment me in my YouTube channel below a video. You can comment me, or you can share your questions with me in this number. It's my number. You can take from that screen. So let's start. Today we will study what kinds of compound noun. We have studied in previous lecture kinds of noun. In kinds of noun we have studied compound noun. So compound noun has parts. Their parts are going to be taught you today. So what are these kinds? Let's start. So we have three kinds in compound noun. First, simple compound. Second, open compound, and the last one is hyphenated compound. These are so easy lectures and so easy parts, and these are so important. We have to know these parts if you want to learn, so be with me. Let's start. First, we have simple compound. What's simple compound? It is so easy. We will study this part and we will study this lecture, so I will teach you in best method, so be with me. So this kind of compound noun is written as one word. These are the nouns which can be two or three but has one word meaning. I will brief it to you guys. I will clear it. This kind of compound noun is written as one word. It is written as one word, but it is two. Now it will be clear to you in examples. So for example, shortcut. As you see, short is one word, cat is another word. So in here it just has one meaning. Shortcut means the brief or the abbreviate way. So as you see, it's one meaning, but it is two words. So these are called simple compound. So for example, handbook. Handbook has one meaning, but it is two words. As you see, it is two words, but it has one meaning. And the last one is notebook. Notebook is two words, but it has one meaning. You know what's notebook. So it was simple compound. As its name, it was so simple. I hope and I know you got it. You are so intelligent and you can take it. So let's go to the second part. Open compound nouns. Open compound nouns. What are these compound nouns? Let's see. This kind of compound noun is written as two words. These are written as two words. These are two words, and it's compound from two words for one meaning, for one word. It is compound by two words. In English we have some words, some sentence, some words that we cannot find in one word, so we can compound two or more than two words to create that word. So now let's see what are these words. For example, bong tailor. Bong tailor The next is bus driver. Bus driver, as you see, bus 1, driver is 2. These are 2 words and depend to 1 person. Policeman and etc. These are 2 words but depend to 1 person. To 1 person we have compound the nouns with each other and create 1 word, 1 meaning for 1 person. So it was open compound noun. It is so easy, I know. Yeah. So the last kind or part is hyphenated compound. It is so important if you want to learn English and writing part. If you want to learn the writing of words in notebook, in books, and letters, so it's so important for you. So what's hyphenated compound noun? Let's see. This kind of compound noun is separated by a hyphen. Hyphen is what can we say? It's a line. It's a small, short line. Short line like this. Now we will see. So as you see in examples, father-in-law. As you see in here. See guys? Father-in-law. In here we have this line. This line is called what hyphen? These 3 words we can say are separated by this hyphen, and give us 1 meaning, 1 person, father-in-law. And the second example is mother-in-law, and we have more like this. For example, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, grandfather-in-law, and etc. So these are called what? Hyphenated compound nouns. That the words are different from each other, but the meaning is 1. The meaning is 1. These were, because this is plural, we will study in our next lectures these grammars. These grammars are so important. I will teach you these grammars too. So it was hyphenated compound noun. So the kinds of noun, the lecture of nouns according to its kinds have been finished completely. I am so happy that I could teach you this lecture completely. I hope you have gotten this lecture. Thank you. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and share with your friends. If you want to be with me and have my new lectures, so subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.